Welcome to our daily Forex market analysis, and this is for trading on January the 12th, 2021. Just a quick disclaimer here before we get started. This is for educational purposes only. Trading is a risky business, so please be careful with your money. As usual, we'll start off by taking a look at our calendar here. All right, so before diving into the upcoming events, just a couple of things to bear in mind. As we had talked in the market analysis over the weekend, this week is going to be volatile here, and we have already seen the start of that. So today we did see that Democrats have put forward a resolution to impeach President Trump, and as a result of that, we are seeing some uncertainty in the markets. Now, that's one thing. Another thing is their FBI has essentially said that there may be more riots or protests from Trump supporters as we move towards the inauguration day, towards January 20th. So this more threat of violence is not a good thing, and that is also negative for the markets. It gives a little bit, makes the markets a little jittery. And of course, we are heading towards the start of the earnings seasons in the stock market, which starts on Friday. So all in all, right now, market is being a little tentative and looks like investors are concerned. All right, so and I should say, as a result of that, we have seen all the risky assets drop today as a result of all of that. And then let's take a look at what's coming up here on Tuesday here. Tuesday, we have, so January 12th, we have not a whole lot in terms of critical news here. We do have MPC members, FOMC members, but overall, not much in terms of important news here. All right, so let's just head on to the charts. We'll start off with euro dollar here. Euro dollar here. And basically, bearish bias here. We are into the support here, and this is where we need to be more careful here. We do have a nice bearish engulfing candle, so bias is bearish. I would look for a break and then a further move to the downside. Now, the only concern would be we are into the support. So last time price was here, it bounced off. So be careful with this move. So we do need to see a close on the other side. So overall, bias is bearish. First target is 1.2050, and then 1.20 is the second target. So bearish bias for euro dollar. Just a little caution with the support there. Pound dollar here, this one has also dropped and still looking bearish. I will look for price to come back towards a 1.3430 will be the first target. And then should it continue, we are looking at 1.3350 as second target. So bias is bearish, but again, be mindful of the support level here at 1.3430. If it doesn't break through, same thing here. We saw that price came into the support and then bounced off. So it could do the same, but bearish bias here for pound dollar as well. Aussie dollar, this is also looking bearish, nice bearish candle close here. Again, price is heading towards this support level here. So we do need to see a break of 0.7650 for this to continue, but it is looking bearish. First target is 0.7650 and then 0.7600. So bearish bias for Aussie dollar as well. New Zealand dollar here, nice close below this previous support level here. So bearish bias, first target is 0.7090, and then second target is 0.7030. Dollar CAD here, this one as well showing signs of reversal. Again, this one is into important resistance level here. And as we can see, this is where price has struggled previously. And if it doesn't go through again, it can turn back around. But we do seem to have nice momentum here. So once price closes on the other side, we're looking for a continuation. Target is 1.2880. So bullish bias for dollar CAD. Silver here, this is looking neutral to bearish here. It is neutral because price is into support here. Last 2 days, it has not been able to break through the support. And this is an important support resistance where price has reacted at this level several times. So we are likely to, if it doesn't go through, we're looking at a move back into the range here. So neutral bias, if it crosses through this support, then this one will turn bearish again. But we've had quite a drop, so it makes sense for this one to pull back. So watch out for that. Neutral bias for the time being. And in terms of the target, we're looking for a retest of 25.80. Gold here, gold as well bounced off of the support level here, and we could see a move back towards 1865 level, and then potentially even into 1885. But we may see a bit of a range bound move here. Price has rejected the support level, so we may see something like this. So bias here is neutral for gold. Oil here, oil has, here we go. So oil is into our support resistance level here all the way from this previous level here. So this is where price is reacting at the moment. We've had quite a move to the upside. So this is a good time for a bit of a pullback. So I will look for a move back towards 51.00. So bearish bias for oil today. Copper as well, quite a drop after that, all that bullishness here. We've had a nice bearish engulfing candle, so I'm looking for a further move to the downside. 3.447 is the next target here, so copper is looking bearish. Bitcoin here, quite a volatile move here. It dropped, or it went all the way through 41,000 and then dropped all the way to 30,000. So quite a lot of volatility here. Right now, I'm neutral on this. I think we may see a back and forth move here in this case, and we could even see a drop. So we have seen the markets perform so well recently that it makes sense for things to pull back and for profit taking to come into play. And this is exactly what we are seeing here. Huge moves up, parabolic moves up like this generally lead to profit taking. So this is what we have. And in this case, this is what I would look for. If it holds below 36,450, then we are looking for a potential move back to retest the support. And if that holds, we are likely to see that move back up. So right now, bias is neutral for Bitcoin. S&P 500, this one, I think we could see a further drop here. So bearish bias. Now, keep in mind, though, market is quite volatile right now, so it could do one of these. But it's also likely that ahead of Friday, we may just see a pullback. So in this case, 37.35 is the target, so neutral to bearish bias for S&P 500. Nasdaq as well, we have a nice bearish engulfing candle here, so bearish bias. 12,800 is the first target, 12,640 is the next target, so bearish bias for Nasdaq here. Dow Jones here hasn't really done a whole lot, going sideways at the moment. I will look for a retest of this 30,770 level, and if it breaks through that, we could see a further drop towards 30,500. Now, I would expect volatility again going into the inauguration, going into the into next week here. We're likely to see more jitters in the market, so that's something to watch out for. DAX as well, we have a neutral candle close. It hasn't quite closed below this 13,900 level, but we could see if the rest of the markets pull back, this is likely to pull back here as well. Target is 13,550, so neutral bias for DAX. FTSE here, this one is looking bearish. Now, next target is, we had quite a big move here. So looking for a drop towards 66.80. So bearish bias for FTSE. And then last but not least, we have Nikkei. Nikkei still holding up here, but we could get a deeper pullback back into this 27,680 level. So watch out for that. So neutral bias here for Nikkei. All right, so that's it. You guys have a wonderful trading day, and I'll be back again tomorrow. Bye for now.